Hello again. In a prior video, we talked about managing delegates. In this video, we are actually going to act as a delegate and show you how that function is used. What we're going to do is we're actually on the home page of Project Web App. I'll go to Server Settings. And again, in the Personal Settings area, you'll see the two actual links, the Manage and the Act. If you recall in the Manage, we created the delegate here. Delegate name being Katie, that's who I'm logged in as. I need to log in and act as somebody. Who that somebody is actually Garth, and then that's the time period this is enabled for. Go back to server settings. In this particular case, Garth, what I did is as Katie, I created a simple project, task 1 and 2. I assigned Garth to the two tasks. What I want to do is run through a scenario where Garth is on vacation. Katie needs to log into the system as Garth and submit a timesheet for him. And that's what we're going to do. I'm going to close out of the project. Nope, we're going to. I don't need to save the changes in this particular case. Okay, all right. Let's act as delegate. Click on Act as Delegate. Select the row that you want to utilize. Select Start Delegate Session. The first thing you're going to notice is the blue bar here. Excuse me, not the blue, the yellow bar. Clear as day, going to notify you that you're currently logged into somebody else. You're acting as a delegate for Garth Fort. Click here to manage your delegate. So again, it's really kind of very loud to let you know that you're currently acting as somebody else, and be very careful with what you're doing. If you click the Here button, it'll bring you back to here, so you're able to click on the Stop Delegate Session. What I said I was going to do is navigate to the timesheet and enter some time as Garth. In this case, I need to scroll forward a couple periods, and let's go one more. And okay, so what we can see is we actually have some time already submitted here. I'm going to re-enter it. Just 3240 right across the board there. You can see I have the planned time showing as well. If I need to do that comparison, I can have the planned time showing here. Not always something that I do. I like to keep my timesheet very thin because I'll have a lot of tasks there at one time. There we go. 8, 16, 25, 32, 40, 444 through 48 in this particular timesheet. And what I'm going to do is submit this. We'll click Send Progress for all tasks. We're not going to submit a comment in this particular case. Brief moment delay. It will be submitted, and there you go. There it says it's currently waiting approval at this point in time. Remember that Katie's the status approver as well. Therefore, when I end this delegate session, I'm going to be able to, as Katie, review those pending approvals and then subsequently approve them. So I clicked on the Here. The Here brings me to the Act as Delegate functionality, and then you'll remember from previously we have that Stop Delegate Session ribbon bar button. Click on that. Now you see the yellow bar goes away. That means I'm acting as me again, Katie, in this case. And the thing that I was going to look for, let's go to the home page. So we should be able to see this on the home page as well. If I go to the home page, the first thing I notice in Track My Work in the approval section is this. 1, approval pending. If I click on that, that'll bring me to the approval section. The other thing I would have received is an email notification if I have email notifications set up. We go to the approval. Remember, it was task 1 on Dan task 101, a total of 40 hours because it was 5 days for that entire task. If I move the divider bar over, you can see some other data points here. We can talk about timesheet setup in another video. In this case, I'm going to select the updates, click the checkbox, select Accept, and the tool's working on it. It's accepting the actuals. Go ahead and click OK. And it's really as simple as that. So that delegate feature is a huge boost to the tool, allowing us to log in and perform as somebody else. And it's even great from a troubleshooting perspective. If somebody's telling you, hey, I can't see a project and I'm supposed to be able to, you as a person trying to troubleshoot that issue can actually log in as them using the delegate feature to troubleshoot that issue. So great functionality. Thanks for watching.